Hi, in this video we will see how a student can join the classroom using code and enroll to a course. So, for that, first we need a student account. To register yourself as a student, first step is to open this website my.codemode.us and then click on Create an account. Select your role as a student. Enter the details, such as date of birth. Now, you have two different options for signing up. You can either sign up using your Google or Facebook account, or you can also sign up via email or phone number. One benefit of using a Google or Facebook account is that you will not have to remember separate passwords every time when you log in, as the account gets automatically validated. If you wish to sign up via email or phone number, click here. Enter your name, email, followed by your password. Then, click on Continue. Select your country from the drop-down menu and click the Next button. Enter the unique institute code that the institute owner, teacher, or administrator provided you with. If not, you can continue by clicking on Skip. By skipping this part you will be added to a default institute. You may always add your institute later. Select the subjects you wish to learn. You can select multiple subjects simultaneously. This way, one can create a student account. Now, let's join a classroom using code. To do so, first of all click on Classroom tab from this top panel. Click on Join with Code and enter the unique code provided by institute owner or teacher. Now, click on Join to join the classroom. A student can join multiple classrooms. Once you join a particular classroom, you will get access to all the assessment, courses or test series shared by the teacher in that classroom. To enroll to the course of this classroom, click on Course from this top panel. Search for the course you wish to enroll. Next, click on Enroll. Now, start taking the course. And see how easy it is for any student to join classroom using code and enroll to any course. Thank you for watching and learning.